So in this video, we're going to look at 3 ways that you can believe in your message. Because once you deliver your story, we want it to be delivered with passion. We want it to be received with enthusiasm. And we also want the audience to retain the information for long after the message was delivered. Let's look into that right now. Number 1 is to focus on the impact. We all have bad, average, regular, and really good days. But it's too easy for us to get tangled up and bogged down in technicalities without focusing on what really matters. And what really matters is the impact that you create or your message creates after it's been delivered. So if you are already working with clients, then you know the thing that matters the most is the happy faces of your clients when they receive your message. And that is the most important thing. Whether you work with one person or 1,000 people, what happens after your message is delivered is your customers, clients, audience are better off having received your message. And that is the most important thing that happens. If you focus just on that feeling, the result of your message, then the stuff in the middle doesn't really matter. I mean, we can all improve our videos, we can all improve the sound by one incremental step at a time. But none of that really matters if your message isn't going out. So what is it that you do? Because if you don't make video that gets out there because you don't believe in yourself, no one will ever find out. And no one cares. So focusing on the impact allows you to skip past all the steps in the middle and just focus. If I make this video, then one person will have a smile on their face and their life will be better off. And that is the main thing, focusing on the impact that you have on your audience to help you skip past all the technicalities. Number 2 is to test your assumptions. Whether you're carrying stories from the past or you're too eager about the future, sometimes it's very common for us to carry old stories and beliefs that no longer serve us anymore. I'll give you a quick example. Whenever I meet people in Toastmaster or in general, and the topic of memory comes up, I will ask someone, hey, I'm thinking about this memory workshop or advanced memory techniques, and they'll say, oh yeah, my memory is crap, or my memory is rubbish. However, in the next 5 minutes, all you have to do is ask them about their favorite hobby, and they will tell you how tall their favorite footballer is, and even their shoe size. So it really proves that there is nothing wrong with their memory, but it's the psychology, because something happened in their past which tells them your memory is bad, and they're carrying that into the present. By testing your assumptions and my assumption, we can let go of some of those things that no longer serve us today, so we can be in the present moment and be fully with the audience when we're in front of them, which is amazing. That's the best thing that could have happened. Number 3 is to slice and dice your goals. Something that will give you more power and allow you to slowly start believing in your message is to slice and dice your big goals, the umbrella dreams you have, and taking them one step at a time. If we take an example of Sam and Joe, well, Sam here has his big goal that is basically immobilizing Sam, because Sam's been thinking about this for the last 7 months, but hasn't actually taken any actions. It's too awesome, it's too overwhelming for Sam to do anything about it. Joe, on the other hand, has the same goal, but has sliced and diced it into smaller chunks so Joe can take one step at a time and just working towards it, which has given Joe some progression. And in doing that, Joe is still looking at the big picture like Sam is, but is actually doing something in between. Now, this is allowing Joe to do a few things. One, while working on this goal, Joe can work on small, measurable targets that Joe can hit, and it helps build up Joe's confidence. But also, Joe can make course correction, because initially we have a lot of ideas, but as you start working on them, you think, ooh, I like what happened here, I don't like what happened here, so let me combine this for the next step. So if Joe was trying to make 100 podcast episodes, instead of thinking of the whole project in one go, Joe would just say, hey, let me just record number 1 and then we'll worry about number 2. And once I've done number 2, only then I can worry about number 3. And every time Joe is counting on these small wins to build up the confidence and to help Joe believe in the message. 9 months down the line, Joe has tested 100 things while Sam is still thinking about the big goal that is too overwhelming. So to conclude, I would say, in order to believe in your message, you just have to focus on the impact that you're having on your audience, whether you're serving 1 person or 100. You have to test your assumptions. So if things aren't serving you anymore, you can just let go of the old stories. And finally, you need to slice and dice your goals into smaller chunks so you can work on one project at a time, make course corrections, and have those small wins that will lead you to the next big project. Thank you for watching this video, and before you go, I just wanted to say that I've been sending out these videos and tips and techniques and tricks every week in my weekly newsletter. So if you haven't had a chance, head to the website right now and type in your email address and you will receive this video before anyone else does. I promise. Good luck and thank you. Until next video.